Hey there, fellow travelers, Greece is calling, and guess what? You don't need a king's ransom to answer. We're talking about epic history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, all without breaking the bank. Greece offers a unique blend of luxury and affordability. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins, the Aegean sun warming your skin. Picture yourself sipping local wine, the taste as rich as the history surrounding you. This is the magic of Greece, a place where you can indulge in the finer things without the hefty price tag. We'll explore how to experience Greece like a high roller, even on a shoestring budget. Let's dive into the art of traveling Greece on a budget without sacrificing an ounce of luxury. Luxury travel in Greece isn't about five-star hotels and Michelin-starred restaurants. It's about immersing yourself in the country's rich tapestry of experiences. Think breathtaking sunsets over the Aegean Sea, enjoyed from a charming family-run taverna. Imagine savoring fresh, locally sourced meals, bursting with flavor and prepared with generations-old recipes. One of the best ways to experience luxury on a budget is to embrace the art of slow travel. Instead of rushing from one crowded tourist spot to the next, choose a few key destinations and truly immerse yourself in the local culture. Rent a villa or apartment for a week or two, shop at local markets, and learn a few basic Greek phrases. You'll be amazed at how much more connected you feel to the country and its people. Explore ancient ruins, wander through charming villages, or simply relax on one of the country's many stunning beaches. And in Greece, you can do all of that and more without spending a fortune. Finding the perfect place to rest your head in Greece doesn't have to break the bank. Sure, luxury villas with private pools are amazing, but there are plenty of budget-friendly options that don't skimp on charm. Consider these alternatives for a comfortable and affordable stay. First up, embrace the world of charming guest houses and family-run hotels. These hidden gems offer authentic Greek hospitality, and often come with delicious homemade breakfasts. Plus, the owners are usually a wealth of knowledge about the area, offering insider tips and recommendations. Next, think outside the box with unique accommodations like farm stays or vineyard retreats. These off-the-beaten-path options offer a glimpse into the local way of life, and often come with opportunities for unique experiences like cooking classes or wine tastings. Another great option for budget travelers is hostels. Many offer private rooms with ensuite bathrooms, along with communal kitchens and common areas where you can meet fellow travelers. Finally, for the ultimate budget-friendly adventure, consider camping. Greece has numerous campsites, many located in idyllic spots along the coast or nestled in scenic mountains. Camping allows you to connect with Greece's natural wonders while keeping your accommodation costs low. One of the best parts of traveling to Greece is indulging in the incredible cuisine. But gourmet doesn't have to mean expensive. Instead of fancy restaurants, seek out local tavernas. These family-run gems offer authentic Greek dishes at wallet-friendly prices. Imagine yourself dining al fresco under a canopy of twinkling lights, enjoying the lively chatter and the aroma of grilled meats and fresh seafood. Embrace the art of the meze. Similar to tapas, these small plates are perfect for sharing and allow you to sample a variety of dishes without overspending. Don't underestimate the power of a bakery breakfast. Start your day like a local with a delicious spinach pie, spanakopita, or a cheese pie, tyrapita, from a local bakery. Finally, hit the local markets for fresh, seasonal produce. Stock up on ingredients for picnics and snacks, and enjoy the true flavors of Greece. Greece is a treasure trove of free activities, offering endless opportunities for adventure and discovery without spending a dime. Soak up the sun, immerse yourself in history, and connect with nature, all without reaching for your wallet. First on the list is exploring ancient ruins. Greece is an open-air museum with remnants of its glorious past scattered across the country. While some sites like the Acropolis charge admission, many others are free to explore. Next, hit the beach. Greece boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and access is always free. Take a hike. Greece's diverse landscapes offer incredible hiking opportunities, from coastal trails with breathtaking sea views to mountain paths that wind through lush forests. Imagine breathing in the fresh air, enjoying panoramic vistas, and connecting with nature's tranquility, all for free. Finally, embrace the art of people watching. Find a shady spot in a bustling square, order a coffee, and watch the world go by. It's a free and fascinating way to experience the pulse of Greek life. Getting around Greece doesn't have to drain your travel fund. With a little planning and some insider tips, you can navigate the country affordably and efficiently. First, embrace the power of public transportation. Greece has an extensive network of buses and trains that connect major cities and towns. Tickets are generally quite affordable, especially if you book in advance. For island hopping, consider ferries. They are the lifeblood of the Greek islands, offering a scenic and affordable way to travel between them. Within cities and towns, walking is your best friend. Not only is it free, but it also allows you to soak up the local atmosphere and discover hidden gems you might otherwise miss. And for shorter distances, consider renting a bicycle or scooter. It's a fun and affordable way to explore at your own pace, especially in coastal towns and on smaller islands. Imagine yourself feeling the wind in your hair as you zip along coastal roads, stopping whenever the mood strikes to admire the view. While Greece's iconic landmarks are must-sees, venturing off the beaten path reveals a world of hidden gems and authentic experiences. Here's how to uncover the local side of Greece without breaking the bank. First, ditch the guidebook and ask the locals. Strike up conversations with shopkeepers, restaurant owners, and fellow travelers. They're a wealth of information about hidden beaches, local festivals, and off-the-radar tavernas. Explore beyond the mainland. While islands like Mykonos and Santorini are undeniably beautiful, they also tend to be more expensive. Consider venturing to lesser-known islands like Milos, Folegandros, or Sifnos. These hidden gems offer the same stunning scenery and charming villages, but with fewer crowds and lower prices. Immerse yourself in local culture. Attend a traditional Greek dance performance, participate in a cooking class, or learn a few basic Greek phrases. Some of the best travel memories are made when you least expect them. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. Greece on a shoestring is not a myth but an exciting reality waiting to be explored. Remember, luxury travel isn't about spending a fortune. It's about embracing the local culture, savoring authentic experiences, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. By following these tips, you can unlock the magic of Greece without draining your bank account. Seek out affordable accommodations, embrace public transportation, savor delicious and budget-friendly meals, and uncover the country's hidden gems. And most importantly, approach your trip with an open mind, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. Greece awaits, ready to captivate your senses and steal your heart. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure that won't break the bank.